dancers are moving on to the next step. This, as we have seen in the earlier version, is Ajema Rua. Ajema is a wag-tailed bird that wags its tail and prance about this way and that. And it is said that this particular dance item has been taught by the leathering way, and I think we can make out from the dance here. I think many of us feel like joining them, but I think this is not the right time yet. We will have to wait till 8 to join the dancers and really have it a go.